Radio, this is first question here from the house. March 20th, 2019. Anyway, respect to motion in a straight line, define the following terms: displacement and distance, right? Well, you see, if you think about a running track, right? There's a rough running track. You started here and you ran around it, and you stopped back where you started. Well, the distance you travel would be like, you would have travelled 400 meters, but your displacement, you'd be back to where you started, so your displacement would be 0. So distance is a scalar property, right? No direction. It's just a quantity. Distance is a scalar, whereas displacement is a vector. So say if you stopped halfway around the running track over here, well, then your displacement would be a certain distance from your starting point, right? That would be the distance, the length of the red arrow, and then it would be a certain angle theta. So that would be a vector. It would have a magnitude and an angle. So defining them then, yeah, you might have a posher kind of a more of a formal definition out of the notes from your lecture. Distance is a scalar property and is amount of ground covered, the total amount of ground covered, whereas displacement is a vector property and it has both a magnitude and a direction.